We all know that accidents can cause a serious issues or injuries. So children, tell me, how can we prevent accidents? Yes, we should always be careful and follow some safety rules. So today, let us learn some safety rules and first aid to prevent ourselves from accidents and injuries. Chapter Safety in First Aid of Class 5th Science. Safety from fire. A fire can cause due to different reasons, some of which are carelessness while handling matchstick, candles, firecrackers, electrical faults while cooking, leakage of gases in the kitchen. Fire can be handled by some simple rules. Let us learn about them. One must be very careful while handling fire or electrical appliances because the wiring should be checked regularly. The faults of the plastic coverings of the wire should be maintained properly. The synthetic clothes should not be worn while cooking in the kitchen or while handling the fire. This is because the synthetic clothes catches fire easily. In case of a gas leak, open all the doors and windows of the house or rooms so that the gas may pass out of the room or kitchen. And while gas leaks, do not fire matchstick or operate any electrical appliances because electrical switch generates spark while being switched on or off. A fire can be put out by some methods. Let us learn about them. In case of the major fire in the building, the nearest fire station must be informed as soon as possible. The firefighter normally put out the fire with the help of water and small fire, which can be put out using an instrument or device called fire extinguisher. In case of fire which occurs due to electrical fault, do not use water to put out fire because electricity is a very good conductor of water and it can flow through water. Such fire can be put out using sand or fire extinguisher. Fire from petrol can also be put out by using sand. Okay, in case a person clothes catches fire, he or she should roll on the ground to control the flame of the fire easily. The person should covered with a thick blanket, and also water cannon should also be used to control the flames. Okay,